Have you looked into taking up a new hobby?
Yes, I'm thinking about picking up painting.
Could you help me out with setting up the projector?
Sure, I'll come over and assist.
I can't believe they called off the meeting again.
Yeah, it's frustrating when they keep canceling.
Are you up for going for a jog this evening?
I'm feeling a bit tired today. Can we rain check?
How's the new job going? Have you settled in?
It's been great so far. I'm still getting used to the routine.
Can you please run over the main points of the presentation?
Of course, I'll go through the key details.
I need to sort out my closet, it's a mess.
I can help you tidy up if you want.
The car broke down on the way to the airport.
That's unfortunate. Did you manage to get it fixed?
I'm thinking about taking up Spanish classes.
That's a great idea. Learning a new language can be so rewarding.
Let's catch up over coffee sometime this week.
Sounds good. How about Thursday afternoon?
I'm trying to cut back on caffeine.
It's tough, but you'll feel better in the long run.
They finally called off the project due to budget constraints.
I heard about that. It's disappointing after all the effort we put in.
Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation?
Of course, I'd be happy to take care of your pet.
I need to go over the contract before signing it.
That's a smart move. Make sure you understand all the terms.
The company is planning to phase out the old software.
It's about time. The new system will be more efficient.
Let's hang out at the park this weekend.
Sure, I'm up for spending some time outdoors.
I have to put off our meeting until next week.
No problem. Just let me know when you're available.
I can't believe they broke up after all those years.
Yeah, relationships can be complicated.
I need to get through this pile of paperwork by tomorrow.
You can do it. Just stay focused.
I'm thinking of taking on a part-time job to make some extra money.
That's a good idea, especially if you have the time.
I can't figure out how to set up the new printer.
I'll come over and help you set it up.
I've been trying to cut down on sweets for health reasons.
It's a wise choice. Your body will thank you.
We need to wrap up the meeting soon.
Agreed. Let's make sure we cover all the important points.
I need to go over my notes before the exam.
That's a good idea. Revision is key to doing well.
Can you pass on the message to John that the meeting is postponed?
Sure, I'll make sure he knows.
I have to drop off the dry cleaning on my way to work.
Don't forget to pick it up later.
The power went out during the storm last night.
That must have been inconvenient.
I'll look into booking a table for us at the restaurant.
Thanks, that would be great.
I can't believe they let go of so many employees.
It's unfortunate, but they had to make budget cuts.
I've been trying to work out more regularly.
That's a good goal for better health.
Let's go over the presentation one more time before the meeting.
Agreed, we want to be well prepared.
I need to get rid of these old magazines.
You can recycle them or donate them to a library.
I'll swing by your place to pick up the book you borrowed.
Sounds good. I'll have it ready for you.
I'm trying to save up for a vacation.
That's a smart idea. It's important to have a financial goal.
I'm really stressed out with work lately.
Maybe you should consider taking a day off to relax.
They need to fix the leak in the roof before it gets worse.
Agreed. Water damage can be expensive to repair.
I can't believe they turned down your proposal.
Yeah, it's disappointing, but we'll come up with a better one.
I'll back you up during the meeting if things get heated.
Thanks, I appreciate your support.
I need to catch up on emails after being on vacation.
It's always a challenge to get back into work mode.
Let's go out and blow off some steam this weekend.
That sounds like a fun idea. Let's do it.
I'll look after the kids while you're at the doctor's appointment.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
The car broke down on the highway, so I had to call for help.
That's unfortunate. Is it getting fixed now?
I'll drop off the package at the post office on my way home.
Don't forget to get a tracking number.
I need to pick out an outfit for the party tonight.
Take your time and choose something you feel comfortable in.
I've been trying to cut back on social media to focus on productivity.
It's a good strategy to reduce distractions.
Let's go over the details of the project in the meeting.
Absolutely, we need to be on the same page.
I can't believe they let go of their most experienced employee.
Sometimes companies make decisions that are hard to understand.
I'm thinking of taking up photography as a hobby.
That's a great idea. It's a creative way to express yourself.
I have to run errands this afternoon.
Don't forget to pick up some groceries while you're out.
I'll go over the contract and make any necessary edits.
Sounds good. Let me know if you need any assistance.
The project got delayed, so we need to catch up on the timeline.
Let's work together to get things back on track.
I'm trying to cut down on eating out to save money.
Cooking at home is not only cost-effective but also healthier.
I'll drop by your place to drop off the book I borrowed.
Sure, I'll be home after 5 p.m.
I'm trying to figure out how to set up the new software.
I can show you the steps if you want.
The manager decided to call off the meeting due to scheduling conflicts.
That's fine, we can reschedule it for another time.
I'll pick you up from the airport when you arrive.
Thanks, I appreciate it. My flight lands at 3 p.m.
I'm thinking of taking on a leadership role in the team.
That's a great opportunity to showcase your skills.
We need to work on cutting back our expenses this month.
Creating a budget can help us manage our finances better.
Let's go over the details of the proposal in the meeting.
Absolutely, we want to present a strong case.
I can't believe they turned down your application for the job.
It's disappointing, but I'm not giving up.
I need to break down the project into smaller tasks for better organization.
That's a smart approach to ensure everything gets done efficiently.
I'm trying to get over the flu that's been going around.
Make sure to rest and stay hydrated.
Let's hang out at the new cafe that just opened up.
I heard their coffee is really good. I'm in.
I can't believe they ran out of tickets for the concert.
That's a bummer. Maybe we can catch them next time.
I need to get up early tomorrow for an important meeting.
Don't forget to set an alarm to make sure you wake up on time.
The movie theater is showing the film you wanted to watch.
Great. I'm up for watching it this weekend.
I've been trying to let go of negative thoughts and focus on positivity.
That's a healthy mindset to cultivate.
I'll drop off the package at the courier service on my way to work.
Make sure to ask for a receipt as proof of delivery.
I need to catch up on work after being on vacation for a week.
It might take a little while to get back into the routine.
I'm thinking of taking up running to improve my fitness.
Running is a great way to stay in shape and boost your stamina.
I'll look after your plants while you're away on your trip.
Thank you so much, I appreciate your help.
The plan is to phase out the old software gradually.
It's a good strategy to avoid disruptions during the transition.
I can't believe they broke into your car and stole your laptop.
I know, it's a violation of privacy. I've already reported it to the police.
I need to pick out a gift for my sister's birthday.
Take your time and find something she'll love.
I've been trying to cut back on social media to reclaim my time.
It's a smart move to reduce screen time and be more present.
Let's go over the itinerary for the trip one more time.
Agreed. We want to make sure everything is well planned.
I can't believe they let go of their best employee due to downsizing.
Sometimes tough decisions have to be made for the company's survival.
I'm considering taking up yoga to improve my flexibility.
Yoga is not only great for flexibility but also for relaxation.
We need to wrap up the project by the end of the month.
Let's work together to meet the deadline.
I need to get rid of these old clothes that don't fit anymore.
You can donate them to a local charity or clothing drive.
I'll back you up during the negotiation if things get tough.
Thanks, your support means a lot to me.
I'm thinking of getting a pet to liven up my apartment.
Having a pet can bring a lot of joy and companionship.
I have to run by the bank to deposit a check.
Don't forget to fill out the deposit slip.
I'll go over the guidelines for the project with the team.
Make sure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities.
I can't believe they let go of their most experienced team member.
It's a loss for the team, but sometimes changes are necessary.
I'm thinking of taking up meditation to reduce stress.
Meditation can be a great way to calm your mind and relax.
We need to catch up on the quarterly reports this week.
Let's set aside some time to review the data and prepare the reports.
I have to run to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription.
Make sure to check the pharmacy's hours before you go.
I'm trying to figure out how to set up the new wireless printer.
The instruction manual should provide step-by-step guidance.
The company decided to call off the team building event due to budget constraints.
That's disappointing. We were all looking forward to it.
I'll drop off the donation at the shelter on my way home.
That's very kind of you. They'll appreciate it.
I'm trying to cut down on sugar intake to improve my health.
Reducing sugar consumption is a smart move for better well-being.
Let's go over the presentation one last time before the meeting.
Agreed. We want to make sure it's polished and effective.
I can't believe they turned down your proposal for the new project.
It's disappointing, but we can revise and present it again.
I can't believe they turned down your proposal for the new project.
It's disappointing, but we can revise and present it again.
I'm thinking of taking up hiking to explore the outdoors more.
Hiking is a great way to connect with nature and get some exercise.
I have to run out to the grocery store to pick up a few items.
Don't forget to bring a shopping list to stay organized.
We need to catch up on the latest industry trends to stay competitive.
Agreed. Staying informed is crucial for our success.
I'm trying to figure out how to set up the security system for my home.
You can follow the user manual for step-by-step instructions.
The company decided to call off the team building workshop due to scheduling conflicts.
That's unfortunate. We were looking forward to improving our teamwork.
I'll look after your dog while you're on vacation.
Thank you. It's a relief to know my pet will be well taken care of.
I'm trying to cut back on unnecessary expenses to save money.
Budgeting is a wise strategy to achieve your financial goals.
Let's hang out at the new art gallery that just opened downtown.
I heard the exhibit is really interesting. Let's check it out.
I can't believe they broke into your house and stole your electronics.
I know, it's a violation of privacy. I've increased security measures now.
I need to pick out an outfit for the formal event next week.
Take your time and choose something that fits the dress code.
I've been trying to cut down on coffee to reduce my caffeine intake.
Gradually decreasing coffee consumption can help avoid withdrawal symptoms.
Let's go over the new project proposal in detail during the meeting.
Absolutely, we want to address any questions or concerns.
I can't believe they broke up after being together for years.
Relationships can be complex, and sometimes people grow apart.
I need to get up early to catch the sunrise tomorrow.
Watching the sunrise can be a peaceful and inspiring experience.
We need to wrap up the financial reports before the end of the month.
Let's allocate time to ensure accuracy and completion.
I'm considering taking up volunteering to give back to the community.
Volunteering is a rewarding way to make a positive impact.
The manager decided to call off the project due to unforeseen challenges.
It's disappointing, but sometimes circumstances are beyond our control.
I need to catch up on sleep after staying up late last night.
Make sure to prioritize rest for your overall well-being.
I'm trying to let go of negative habits and focus on personal growth.
That's a positive mindset to cultivate for self-improvement.
Let's hang out at the park this weekend and play some sports.
That sounds like a fun way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors.
I can't believe they let go of their most skilled team member due to relocation.
It's a loss for the team, but sometimes opportunities arise unexpectedly.
I'm thinking of picking up gardening to create a more vibrant outdoor space.
Gardening can be therapeutic and add beauty to your surroundings.
We need to catch up on the latest industry news to stay ahead of the competition.
Absolutely, staying informed is essential for strategic planning.
I have to run to the post office to drop off these packages for shipping.
Don't forget to weigh the packages and affix the correct postage.
I'm trying to figure out how to set up the new smart thermostat in my home.
The installation manual should provide clear instructions for setup.
The company decided to call off the annual picnic due to inclement weather.
That's a shame. We'll have to find an alternative indoor activity.
I'll pick you up from the station when your train arrives.
Thanks, I appreciate your help. I'll let you know the arrival time.
I'm thinking of getting a puppy to bring more energy into my household.
Puppies are adorable, but they require a lot of care and attention.
We need to wrap up the design phase and start implementation soon.
Agreed. Let's finalize the design details and set a timeline.
I can't believe they turned down your offer to collaborate on the project.
It's disappointing, but we can explore other partnership opportunities.
I'm trying to get over the jet lag after returning from my international trip.
Rest, stay hydrated, and gradually adjust your sleep schedule.
Let's hang out at the beach this weekend and enjoy the sun.
That sounds like a relaxing plan. I'll bring some sunscreen.